welcome to the Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you're new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm always happy to have you with me today. So, I'm not exactly sure what day it is. I think it's Tuesday. But I'm not exactly sure. I have a paper here that says it's September 20th, 2023, and it's after 8:30 in the morning, so I do have my coffee. It's actually not too bad. For breakfast, because of my sore mouth, they usually bring me two bowls of grits because I can eat that pretty good with my sore mouth. So I think today I may actually try to go down to the activity room. This afternoon they're doing Yahtzee, ball crafts, and bingo. So that sounds like fun and something I might like to do. I know I like bingo. I'll see what they're doing for the ball crafts. But I actually feel better this morning. My shoulder is absolutely killing me. I don't know what I do to my shoulder, but maybe if I get out of bed this afternoon and do some craft things and some things I enjoy, maybe my back will be a little bit better. But I'm doing pretty good this morning, other than my sore shoulder. I know it might probably sound funny, but I have my teeth out because of the sores in my mouth. It's just been too sore to have my teeth in, so I apologize if I sound funny, but I sound funny for a reason, and it's because my teeth are out. Let's see, I've been really sore. Like I said, my shoulder and my back is really killing me. I'm having these really bad dreams, probably from the medication I've been on. One of them was that this is absolutely crazy. I had gone home. I had a second hospital bed in my spare bedroom, and it actually looked like my hospital room, and the hallway looked like the hallway from the hospital bedroom, and it was just really weird. I woke up. It was like the first or second night I was home. I kept hearing these weird sounds, so I woke up just in time to see a couple of people walking by my bedroom. Now remember, this is a dream. It wasn't real, but I thought it was real at the time. So I kept trying to get out of my bed, which somehow was broken. I couldn't get it to move. I kept screaming out who was there. Nobody would answer me. Finally, I was terrified, and I screamed, "Tell me who you are! I'm calling the sheriff, and you're going to jail." So finally, someone walked by my bedroom, and she's like, "Please don't call. You should your call light to call if you need more help to get someone out here." And she was standing right in front of my bedroom with her face mask and everything on, and finally I said, "Tell me who you are," and she's like, it's Alex, your aide." And I was like, I just was stunned. First of all, that she was there that early in the morning, and that I couldn't remember who she was. So yeah, that was a weird dream, which was probably the pain meds. That was crazy. I remember waking up here at the hospital being terrified, and finally someone came in my room and told them the dream I'd had, and said, and she got me calmed down and said, yeah, it was probably the medicine, and it was just really crazy. But I do have a really nice room, and everyone's been pretty good, except for the meals. It's just hard to find something that I can eat because of my sore mouth. So let me get some coffee. But they pretty much bring me whatever I need. And my bedroom's really nice. And I just, when I'm ready to get out of the room, so I think today will be a good day to get out of the room, if I'm up to it after lunch. So we'll see what happens with that. I think that's about it. I do need to explain that I am here for respite care until Friday when my sister gets home. So I'm here until Friday. As soon as my sister gets up and around, I will call transport, and they will come and pick me up and take me home. So I am glad I was here. I've had some really bad days where I've just slept all day, and now I think I'm getting back on my feet. So I'm sorry I haven't shown much of the food that they've been bringing me, because it's all been really good. I just wish I could eat it. I do have, oops, I'm still talking. I do have a vanilla boost. They've been bringing me one of those on every tray, so I'm just trying to get my phone here. My camera straightened out here. There we go. So because I haven't eaten much, yeah, I've been given one of these on every tray. Sorry about my phone falling. It fell when I moved my shake out of the way. And actually isn't too bad to drink, so I get a vanilla boost, and usually they give me one of these chocolate mighty shake things that has 6 grams of protein and 220 calories per carton, so that's not too bad. It does have but protein, which I need right now. So let me put this back here. Yeah, so that's about it. I'm feeling much better. I'm really glad I'm here, because I did need extra help. I would have only had my aide at home for about an hour a day, and right after my sister left, I went downhill really fast. Truthfully, I really thought I was dying. I thought I thought I was not going to be here much longer. So I'm really happy that I'm feeling better. I'm grateful that I was here. My hospice aide has been coming in every day to check on me. When I was telling her my dream, she was like, "Oh my God, that is not like you at all." So they are aware that I was not myself. So they've really been taking care of me. My pastor came and saw me a couple times. He tried to wake me up. He said it looked like I was half awake and that I wanted to be woken up, but he said he tried several times to get me to wake up, and he couldn't. So I didn't even remember him being here. But I'm glad that he was checking on me, and he had talked to the nurse a couple of times to find out how I was and what was going on. So I'm really grateful for that. So I think I'm sorry about dropping my phone earlier. I know that probably was not pleasant on your ears, but the phone was partly resting on my drink, and I didn't realize that. I thought it was just on my juice, which they keep bringing me. I've said no juice, and it's written right on my meal tray ticket, no juice, but they still keep putting it on my tray, so I gave up on that. But there are times, like I can tell right now, that my oxygen level is dropping when I talk very much. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this morning, because I am feeling that airflow not coming. I feel like I'm kind of gasping for air, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop this so I can just sit quietly for a few moments. So I just wanted to say hello and let you guys know that I am doing better. I am getting the protein shakes, and I'm just really grateful I was here and not at home, because if I was at home, I don't think I would have made it, because it was pretty bad there for a couple of days. So I'm going to end this by saying be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I'm so grateful that I can say I will see you all on the next video. Bye! And here is just a few pictures of the puppy that came to visit me the other day. I just thought I'd share that with you and maybe put a smile on your face. Have a good day. Be safe, be happy, be blessed. Bye.